identifying and understanding your risk ecosystem. Today, third-party vendors and partners, in one way or another, are crucial to every aspect of an SMB business. Where there is greater interdependence, businesses increasingly depend on partners and third-party vendors, adding more significant risk. Third-party risk management is thus inevitable for every SMB today if one wishes to safeguard assets, reputation, and customer trust. SMB Tech and Cybersecurity Leadership Newsletter is a reader-supported publication. To receive new posts and support my work, consider becoming a free or paid subscriber. Critical strategies for SMBs to manage third-party risks include understanding your third-party ecosystem. First, inventory all the third-party relationships you want a particular inventory. These can be vendors, service providers, or any third party accessing your systems or data. Categorize those relationships by level of access and the materiality of the services offered. Risk assessments. Perform comprehensive evaluations of the risks associated with each third party involved. Consider such factors as the type and sensitivity of data they handle, their access to your systems and networks, the criticality of the services they provide, their cybersecurity practices and controls. Use this information to label a risk rating for each third party and prioritize your risk management effort. Due diligence processes. Develop a comprehensive due diligence process for onboarding new vendors and periodic reassessments of active vendors. In this light, it should include the following. Review their policies and procedures related to security. Assess their operations to ensure adherence to applicable regulations. Verify their financial viability. Check to see if they have had security incidents or breaches in the past. Establish clear contractual requirements. Please make sure that all of your contracts with third parties clearly outline the security and privacy expectations. This should include a requirement for continuous assessment of their adherence to these standards throughout the duration of the contract. Failure to meet these requirements may result in termination of the contract. The contract should also specify expectations for handling data, reporting breaches, and your rights to audit their security practices, procedures, and technologies. Monitoring and reassessment. TPRM is not a point-in-time activity. Establish steps and procedures for continuously monitoring your third party's security postures. This may include periodic security assessments or questionnaires, monitoring business structure or ownership changes, and monitoring news and public records for security incidents. Where possible, automation and streamlining of this process may be considered using TPRM software tools. Develop an incident response plan. Establishing a comprehensive incident response plan is crucial to ensuring a robust response to security incidents involving third parties. This plan should meticulously outline the specific activities to be undertaken in the event of such incidents, including the identification of communication channels and the allocation of responsibilities following a breach or any other security event. This involves clearly defining the steps to be taken, the individuals or teams responsible for each step, and the methods of communication that will be utilized to ensure an effective and coordinated response. Train your people. It's essential that all team members have a thorough comprehension of third-party risk management (TPRM) and acknowledge their pivotal role in guaranteeing the security of third-party engagements. Providing in-depth training that encompasses best practices for data sharing and access management is crucial for ensuring that all team members are well equipped to handle third-party risks effectively. Leverage third-party resources. For small and medium-sized businesses SMBs that have limitations in internal resources, it may be beneficial for the company to explore the option of forming partnerships with managed security service providers or utilizing third-party risk intelligence services. These external services can offer valuable insights and support to effectively manage the third-party risk management (TPRM) program. By collaborating with external specialists, SMBs can potentially enhance their ability to identify and address security risks associated with third-party partnerships, thus strengthening their overall risk management strategy. Conclusion. Although implementing a comprehensive TPRM program may seem daunting for an SMB, a robust cybersecurity approach is crucial. By constantly following these steps and refining your strategy, you can significantly decrease the risks of third-party relationships in your business and protect it in today's increasingly complex digital ecosystem. TPRM is a continuous process that requires constant attention and periodic updating. Generally speaking, any business growth and evolution should involve parallel changes in handling third-party risk management. If you need help in this area, reach out to me at info@cpf-coaching.com. Product shoutout, EasyMac. Did you know that about 16% of all emails sent never reach their destination, and 15 billion emails land in spam daily? DMARC ensures all your emails find a worthy place in your customers' inboxes. https://partners.easymark.com/cpfcoaching